Would you take your own life?
If it was unending pain and there's no cure, of course. I'm doing this for me. See, it's my natural right.
Tom, do you want to go ahead with this?
Yeah.
Shake your head yes if you want to go. All right.
The law has forced me to do this in the most undignified way.
And they got you all hooked up so we can monitor your heart rate.
Like the judge says, you have now been stopped. Well, she was wrong. I haven't.
And we're ready to inject. We're going to inject in your right arm. Okay?
You had the audacity to go on national television, show the world what you did, and dare the legal system to stop you. Well, sir, consider yourself stopped.
Under the state's 1997 Death with Dignity Act, a person is allowed to end his or her life through self-administered lethal medication, provided that person is 18 years or older, a resident of Oregon, capable of making and communicating healthcare decisions for him or herself, and has been diagnosed with a terminal illness that will lead to death within 6 months.
I can't even tell you the amount of relief that it provides me to know that I don't have to die the way that it's been described to me that my brain tumor would take me on its own.
You shouldn't be pushing her to do that.
I offered her options. I told her about hospice. She doesn't want to die a slow death, hooked up to machines, or be so heavily sedated she might as well be dead. And I have to say, I don't blame her. This is an act of mercy.
Oh, an act of mercy? You are killing her. Just so that you are clear, by writing that prescription, you are killing that woman.
Is that physicians, when faced with terminal illness, choose suicide, because we see what happens to people that don't do that. It's very common for doctors to do that.
Absolutely, and doctors know which side of the white coat they want to stay on, and nobody wants to be a medical basket case at the end of their life, particularly medical people.
And I don't know how we as a society could really consider making doctors into killers.
Governor Jerry Brown of California has signed legislation into law indicating that people have the decision to end their life if they have a terminal illness. Now, this is physician-assisted suicide.